How to connect an OpenRouter proxy to Janitor AI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect an OpenRouter proxy to Janitor AI so you can access different AI models, including free and paid options. This can give you more flexibility when choosing the model you want to use in your Janitor AI conversations. So let's get started. First, open Janitor AI and sign into your account. Before setting up a proxy, keep in mind that not every character supports proxy connections. If you see proxy allowed on the character you're using, you can continue. Open the chat you want to use, then click the three horizontal lines at the top of the screen. From the menu, select API Settings. Inside the API settings, choose Proxy, then click Add New or the plus icon to create a new configuration. Give your configuration a name that you'll easily recognize later. For example, you could call it OpenRouter. Now, open a new browser tab and go to OpenRouter. Sign into your account, then open the Models section. Here you'll find a large selection of AI models. If you want to use a free model, use the available filters to find models that currently have a free option. Choose the model you want to use and open its details page. Look for the model ID or model code and copy it. Now, return to Janitor AI and paste that model ID into the model field. Next, you'll need the OpenRouter proxy URL. Enter the official OpenRouter API endpoint required by Janitor AI for proxy connections. Now we need an API key. Go back to OpenRouter, click your profile picture and open Preferences. Find the API Keys section and select Create New Key. Give the key a name, then create it. Once the key appears, copy it immediately and keep it private. Treat your API key like a password and never share it publicly. Return to Janitor AI and paste the key into the API key field. Double-check your model ID, proxy URL, and API key before continuing. Once everything is correct, click Add or Save to create the configuration. If the setup is successful, Janitor AI should indicate that you're using the proxy. Now you can return to your conversation and start chatting using the external model you selected through OpenRouter. If the connection doesn't work, check that the model ID is correct, your API key is active, and the character supports proxy usage. And that's it. You've successfully connected OpenRouter to Janitor AI and can now use your selected AI model. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick and straightforward AI tutorials.